Hey everyone! Today we're checking out Stitch, Google's new AI tool for generating website and app designs. We're going to recreate a landing page I found. Here's what it looks like. This will be our reference. First, we copy the site's URL. Before that, make sure to switch to expert mode. It unlocks image uploads. Now we head over to a screenshot tool. We take a full page screenshot. Increase the height to capture everything. Looks good. Let's download the image and go back to Stitch. We write a simple prompt and upload the screenshot. Now we wait. Others like me are trying to get that amazing design too. Here's what we got. Yeah, it's not identical to the original, but that's okay. It has its own vibe. Clicking the landing page shows us the code. And yep, it's built with TailwindCSS. The code is clean overall, though it doesn't yet support React or Vue builds. I'm sure that'll come soon. Next, let's try generating a new landing page in light mode. We've got a fresh design. So again, we take a screenshot, increase the height, and adjust the size. Download it, upload it, and prompt, generate a landing page. We wait, and boom, a new design. It's a bit different again, but the style and structure are preserved. Now let's get creative. We'll generate a dark mode version, something like infinite darkness style. Here it is, a dark version of the site. Some blocks are a bit broken, but overall it looks cool, and we can always tweak the code manually. Looking at the code again, still Tailwind, similar structure to the previous one. If only Google could speed up generation, this would be... Of course, it's still a bit rough. But as a starting point for prototypes, it works. Figma export isn't available for me yet, but I'm sure it's coming. Final thoughts. Stitch is still in its early stages. It's clear the tool isn't fully polished yet. There are bugs, limitations, and missing features like full support for frameworks or Figma export. But even at this stage, it shows a ton of potential. For designers and developers who need quick prototypes, inspiration, or starting points, it's already a game changer. You can generate layouts, explore visual styles, and get clean, Tailwind-based code that's easy to build on. Sure, it's not production ready yet, but as a foundation for creative work, it's surprisingly solid.